Hi viewers, hope you must be fine. Now I am coming with one more new video of WordPress. In this video I will show you how you can make a booking website for you or for your client if you are working as a freelancer. Like for example, you can create a website for some dental hospital, dental clinic, saloon, beauty parlor, or anything else which you want to make. So without wasting any time, I would like you to just start with this process. And but before going to this, I would like you to subscribe and like my channel so that you can get more informative videos in the future as well. So let's start. I already is in the Softicalious interface, and you might know about the WordPress interface. So I have already installed the WordPress on this domain. What I need to do, I just log into it. It's a very simple and easy process. I will let you know step by step. Maybe there is some problem. I will check it. Okay, so this is the dashboard of it. First, what we will do, we just install a theme for our web blog or website. So what we do, we just go to appearance and go to themes. I would suggest you to just install. You need to install this extra theme, and for your for the ease of the process, I have already installed this extra theme on it. I need to customize it first. If it is not present, you need to search it, your theme and extra theme, and you can configure it from there. I have already installed this theme and I have already given it a name as well. So what I need to do further, make the home page settings, and before this I would like you to make some page so that you can have this booking system over there. What I will do, I made a page, new page, and I just name it as reservation page like this. Okay, and once I put over here, I write over here, I just need to publish it. Okay, once I published, now I need to go to the plugin section of my WordPress website, and here I just select add new. From here you need to search for, you can see it is there. What I need to do, I just need to install this plugin. Once it is installed, then I will configure my reservation page for this Bookly, for making bookings and all those settings we will do from here. I will let you know the process in which almost in 15 to 20 minutes you can configure your website for your client or for yourself as well if you want to do. It is now installing. Once installed, we need to then we will activate it. So still it is installing. Okay, once it is installed, now it is installed. Now I just need to activate it. I have now just activated it. So now it is activated. Now next I have to move towards this appearance themes. Okay, and now I have to press customize. Now I need to customize my theme so that the reservation page should be the starting page or the default page. What I need to do, just go to home page settings, and your latest post not static page, you need to select a static page, and over here you need to select the reservation page. Once you select, just need to publish it. Once you get it published, then I will let you know what you have to do right now. Okay, I think it is published now, so just close it and go back to your pages, all pages, and here you will find the reservation page. Just select it and edit it, and here what you need to do, you need to write bookly dash form. Okay, once you write, you need to update it. Now if you want to preview it, you can preview it from here. Maybe I just check it in some other page. You can see easily the reservation, almost all the controls has been launched on the page, and everything is now done. So what you need to do, you can just go to here dashboard, and if you just visit the site, you can see that page as a starting page, and from there you can book some appointment for your clinic or something like that. I have made this website for a dental clinic. I have already given the name. You can change this name as well. First I let you know how it looks like. So it looks like this. Here what you need to do, you need to have a category service employee at the first. So what we need to do, we have to go to the dashboard again, and we have to do the settings. Like for example, if I go to the bookly like this, you can see over here to approve appointments. I have already made some appointments as well. I will do I will make more appointments for you, but before this we need to have some settings. For example, staff member, I have already selected one staff member, for example John, and if you want to, for example, remove, I just remove it for you, so that I just do this from scratch so that you can understand what I have done. Once it is, I think it is not deleted, but let's see. Now it's not deleted. Why? I need to check why it is not deleting. I think a service is assigned for this. First we have to service which is assigned to this employee. So before this, I remove this and delete this as well, and I just delete everything. Okay, now what I need to do, I first go to the settings, and these are the basic settings for this plugin. Like for example, I have already put the thing over here, so I put maybe John Horton Lisbon, maybe like this. I put some number over here, then website maybe JH dental care.com, like this, services and 1 to 9 employees, and just save it. This is the first time one-time settings for you. You can put your image as well for your company. Now what I will do, make some staff members for this. Maybe the one which maybe it is you, or it may be something else. First I remove the one which is already over here. Okay, now I just put your number, or it's up to your, it's maybe your staff. For example, Harris, and it's maybe the admin, and like this, his email, his mobile number, something like that. Owner of dental care. Okay, then I have to save it first. Then I just save it. Now it has been created, but I just change the name as Harris, and I just save it. Okay, so now I need to create some services for this. What are the services we are offering in this clinic? For example, we are providing services of dental surgery, and which is the category I've already created, like dental clinic and surgery. So it is a dental surgery. And which staff? I change the staff for the Harris, which is also the owner as well. Dental surgery. Similarly, I just create another service, like for example dental scaling. Create service like this, and you need to select under which category it is. It is under dental clinic. This I already have created. You can create as many as you want, like categories in which your clinic deals in, and you can set the price for it. Maybe I just put for $20, and I just put some information, dental clinic, so for activity. Just need to save it, and it is asking for save, but I have mistake something, like for which staff. It is also for Harris. Okay, and I have not put the price for it. I need to put the price for it, the basic price for it as well, or maybe I just put it for the $30. Okay, and just save it. Now I have made the services, now I have made the staff member. Now we just move towards our website, the front page. This is the reservation. So here you can see what need to be selected. First, the category need to select. For example, a patient has to become, and we are selecting dental clinic. Service, what he wants, dental scaling, who will do the job. This is Harris, and at which date he need to do. Maybe I just select it for 25th, and what time it should be. The time should be 11 to 12 p.m. and then we select next, and we have selected the date of 25th, so 11 is the date, 11 is the time, and who is going to be serviced. For example, Junaid need to be get the service. What is his mobile number and what is his email? I just put his name, Junaid, and gmail.com, like this, and I need scaling on 25th August 2022 at 11 a.m. Okay, then we move to next. I will pay locally. It is asked for you that he will pay locally, and just go to next. So this is how thank you message has been sent, and the booking has been done. Now we can check where is the booking, and from the interface we can see, like if I go to the Bookly and if I go to the dashboard, I can see this is the one pending appointments. Like I have created for one patient, which is Junaid, and total appointment is 1, and how much the approved appointment. So for approved appointment I need to go to this pending appointments, and here I have to change the status of it. This is still pending, so what we need to do, we need to change the status as well. So it is status pending. What we need to do, like provider Haris will provide the service of 15 minutes on 25th August 11 to 11:15 to Mr. Junaid. So I need to approve this if the client confirm this his appointment. So now you can see in the Bookly interface, in the Bookly dashboard, it is shown as approved one, and revenue when he will pay, the revenue will be shown over here. So in this way you can make a single website for your business or your for client, and it's very easy and handy. You don't need to do any more things for this. You can do some settings for it. These are the basic settings which I have already told you, and some other settings you can do from here, like for example URI setting you can do, like for this calendar, like which time you are enable your timings. These are the message you want to show to your client, and company information I already show. Customers, like for example any specific customers can book your services, and what are the appointments. These are the tags which you can use to print the message for your clients, and these are the payments, like for example he will pay locally and the currency will be dollar. Here you can also set the business hours for your business, like which are your opening hours, which are your opening timings, like this, which are your holidays as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have understand the whole concept behind this. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get the new informative videos next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.